Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name, Everyday Blessing TV. If you want to find me, I did YouTube. Go to YouTube, your session, Everyday Blessing TV. Type on there, you will see me there. If you want to follow me for page, my name for page, real message. Now there, you will see the real message. Anything you find, real one, you did there. So, I come out today. I'm not happy. I'm not happy at all. Because Mommy Jore give message to we where they stay for France. Oh God. Oh la la. Mommy Jore give message to we where they stay France. And the message now some people. But they use that eye till they look everybody for France. And the verse. Before I continue, we need to listen to Mommy Jore first. After Mommy Jore, I will give my own. And you, my brother, if you know, say you did this message, today, if you hear her, because since I hear this message when Mommy Jore give, I not sleep again. And I say I will come out. Because we will not come meet for Europe. I know say some people do one, some not do one. But when I poor, we will not do one. So, me will listen to Mommy Jore. Mommy Jore talk one word. She said me will carry Bible and barrel. So that me will write down in case of electricity. So I carry my Bible. Carry your Bible so that you will write your own down. So me will hear from Mommy Jore.
Yes, Jamie Vieroto. I need you. Yare no panoro be Parisi. Erewe aso sebe jojoe. Ruje gesi. Aboka ma be atwe gekes. Isu ruje ni wa. Cause amana time ya na. Ari bi anita te na ni adun lo te tan wala.
Okay.
Awe no gefe ni eri ge ni.
Okay.
Oni na gele eri ge. Oni sapo oni wi opaje kan ya ifa apaje kan.
Okay.
That's why I go settle down with your must say because only give me go again only now I'm go now only. I let you go one limit. Ugu mi ya uwa. Yes, wale low here.
Okay.
If not my gear yata make be na, you shall be punish here. I will ask you why you gonna ya lily be a gear. Ega wa ya de ukiki.
Okay.
What about a boy yeke babo?
Okay.
Ega, was your why you wa. Una ya ale lo ko be no muemu e ga wa ya ede bo keke u ga se wo kan wa yo wa una ya ale lo ko no we ma traffic e ga wa ya ede e ka no ga we to ta ya na tie we wa ji oji amota from we no way amota from we France amota wa we be pension kiye ke no ko kwa iya ifanya arugwe ga.
Okay.
And the gas is so yeah if you oh we your budget up your sock be no clear.
Yes.
Oh because yeah we your part where you can lantia it get
no be there to chop am.
Why France be like that? May our men they stop that nonsense.
Okay. You see
when you have a wife, settle down with your wife.
See me our men.
Settle down with your wife.
We stop that nonsense.
No ya meje. Ya go knock my there on a messy saya le right.
But they just now spoil our own.
When I Mrs. Ever walk Mama go and settle down. Alele yakia. Me na tie carry our will be from.
Now advice Mommy Jore they give you. Advice.
In my own time. Because of a love between you.
Okay.
Because of a love between you.
Okay.
A Mrs. Saya le right anyway.
Okay.
Well, I remember baba. I settle down with Okonobi anyway.
And the verse.
And
the verse.
Even if the guy don't confess a live video, a career what each one all do. But you might not do it that way. You might not settle down with one woman. So where you go where you go, but we must say.
Okay.
A church group.
All those useless condemned boys.
What can church group? Where's the church group?
That's what I don't take for Europe.
It's a Jack Monoma. wa. Akwa maya amago ya le gyak mo be magwa. Digo ni ya finu wa.
Okay.
Digo ni ya rienu wa, digo ni wa mi opia. Digo ni ya janugwa. Western no le chatro mobo.
Una de here.
Iga gwe de pe hoin. O mani no confessor ma veni. Ye no bagi me story. Igwe no wado time.
Na message mo bi de give for. Na advice the advice also. No be money the one us. Advice.
O mana ije message sile ra na pon we ma phone. Wa mi ko no love wa gbe o kwaligo. Want to belong society. Wa make
na the here.
Wa beg de no ma body.
You.
Is it compulsory? Everybody must make it.
No.
The most important one, sir, because you ma sir. I do mana sir here. What regret? Abu o wiche ma ya me ya.
No.
O go wiche ma ya me ya.
No.
Because why you learn a bad character will be here? What do you do with a guest man?
Okay.
What concentrate your work by? Okay. What concentrate? Why concentrate is there?
Okay.
Concentrate. I tell me secretive, because he made me agree. Say not keep it anyway.
Okay.
All time and now better away, bo. Why now? A love video and after why James is live anyway. A girlfriend to look at me outside Paris.
Okay.
Messi so ya live anyway.
Okay.
On your man, no damn way.
Yes.
I jam a woman where.
Okay. Good message. Okay. Okay. Good message. Okay. Okay.
But stay with one woman.
Okay. Not here.
Stay with one woman.
At a verse for this message.
Stay with one woman.
Are they happy for the other side?
Because he might talk.
Yes. Because at the France, all of us did. Yes. At the France. Okay. Abi, ask me.
I go manage. I will not match up in I manage.
Abi.
Oh, what quality? You got to go motor. I pop many people. And I will pop many people.
You see? You see? Small boy. Small boy. Ask me, ask yourself.
Give your life to God. If you are a Christian, you have to stay with one woman. On a year, the net and one eye, you get a level only.
Okay.
So tell you, baby, no.
Yeah. Mom here say not take that way again.
But the perfect time, I'm gonna fear with Viva.
See?
I don't buy Bava.
Okay.
You got fear with Viva. They love you or not at time.
Okay.
Now we want time when mommy show you you not get with phone. Now well, we got honor my time. We love you. Why got a land veteran? If I told you, mommy show you confess.
Okay.
Honor my one. I know.
So what about it?
Now, remember for you speaker all the time. You know you hug bo. Let's see the dinner. The girl you can not get the dinner.
Okay.
I was on a message in the line. We got name. Who never know quality go back.
Ask me.
Woman coco.
Ask yourself.
I see where go with what.
Okay.
What quality go back? Oh,
Okay.
a group of children who are there.
You see?
Why me a big? Here me over so. I tell by group of children. What you belong? We're not me.
When I hear
Etu Pumegbe.
Una want spoil our name for France.
Pumegbe. I cannot tell where who make it. Why you make it?
For where? Which can make it? Nonsense money. Central money and nonsense. Shy. Oh la la. Ask me.
I want your man is enough.
Ask me.
It's okay, who fight your life away.
Ask
Man
me.
blame me where cause
Okay.
Shetro. Get fire na ya head na.
Ask me.
Is it compulsory where China mama when I level?
No.
China guy master I level.
No.
Take time, take time.
Okay. Now they hear.
But take time, take time.
This good message.
I want make a friend, but stay away from there. You settle down with a God, but
When I hear that
settle
one.
down. I mean, like buff when. Wow, you go mao me and on the left here.
Mommy Yori, God bless you.
I'm moving your liver any quo.
You see?
What looking about? I take a friend where my love you way. Only my phone will go. If I be Jamie, I'm money cadness well at you. Okay, Kiri. Okay, Kiri. Why my promise on my warrior? Okay, Kiri, I don't marry. Because I'm 5 years ago, 10 years ago, I'm not feeling it.
Now the hear, now the listing.
I'm not feeling
When I wait, they spoil our name for France.
We met Tommy, we are fear. Oh, you're honey confessing. I'm with you. Let it tell me.
Igwe, what all? God will bless you, Igwe.
Oh, when them no go your hand here.
You see? Now they spoil our name. Mom, you will hear you.
Then we are being where totally.
Eh?
The boss has who?
You see?
Quali go here.
Now they pump money give them more.
Boss, come on, when you normal job, we're not in my phone.
Come on, boss house. You know the
I
feel
yeah, normal job,
yes.
When we go when normal job,
Okay. Yes, yeah. Yes. Yes.
Every time.
Oh, yes, normal job. Because all those things.
Because no anybody no one or who a serious girlfriend, settle down with your girlfriend.
Okay.
Settle down with your wife.
Okay.
Everything have changed. Especially retires.
Oh, Mommy Jody, God bless you.
Hello, God bless you.
God bless you, ma. Mommy Jody, God will bless you. For this message, add a verse and not too much verse. Because if say maybe for example that they see who they talk through like this, who they give this kind of message, most of people, the whole world for not they complain say this word is not good, it's not good. Now because say life will everywhere, now make people they complain say this life not good again. If say maybe this Mommy Yore message, so people they another people they where see they talk through like this life for the better. And let me tell you, my brother, Mommy Yore bring this message to all the home men for France. And particular person where Mommy Yore point, we don't know the person, but Mommy Yore know her. If you say we find out now, the person now maybe the person now, if you too spend for Europe now, maybe if you don't old, maybe you don't take for Europe. If you be like maybe 15 years, 11 to 1 year, may not say you be still dare. Now spoil our guests. Now condemn our guests. Now condemn our sisters. All those Nigeria guests will be say no one get head again today. No one get head even to marry problem to them. And you, where be shentro, you get wife for house, you go give another woman belly, you be shentro. May you get her for your mind. You get wife for house, you go give another woman belly for her side, you be shentro. Where Mommy Yore talk about so. If you get girlfriend, you they carry up and down. you be Shentro. So, our time, we not say Shentro still day, that time, where we all come. But it not be like nowadays again. This Shentro boy, where Mom Yori they talk about, so, since Mom Yori, you not measure in name, no problem. We don't care to know the person, but the person know himself. If you come across this message and this video, you know yourself. My brother, let me tell you, you dey spoil our name for France. Because they're going to use that eye till they look everybody. Because you be either all those Shentro house, you say you get house, so if you go Nigeria, you dey drive motor or whatever. Now zero for you because the money where you take they do all those things. Now nonsense money. And Mom, you already give my message say they will still give you their guess. Maybe they pay you now. You see, say we are not for this spoil our need. My brother, if you did this message, change because I invest. When I hear this message, when Mom you already give, I say no, I will come out because una dey spoil our name for France. That France, una dey spoil our name. If you no say you want to do Shentro, go and do your parents Shentro. Go to your, if you not get sisters. You not get aunties. Your own mother. Go and do that Shentro. Not be around that family children. Want to do that Shentro. You will see buy ticket now. You will go Nigeria. You will go to spend the money anyhow. You will go to Zuo, they misbehave for Nigeria. But many say you already not measure your name. You know yourself. We don't know you. We don't know your name. Because Mom, you already not measure name. We don't know you, but you yourself, you know yourself. Maybe, see, anywhere, any country where you go for this Western world, they hide yourself. If you know, say, now you, Mom, you already talk about, they hide yourself because una spoil our name. Una they bomb everywhere. Una get where for house. Una go they give another woman belly for outside. Huh? Una go spoil our name. If we may see us now, if we now will be say, where we not even get her for all those kind of things. They're going to use that eye to look us because of una nonsense, una attitude, una nuisance, una the misbehave for Europe. They're going to use that eye to look all the whole men for Europe. Say all the whole men for Europe now. Shentro. Maybe Shentro kill una. So all those things una they do, una they spoil our name, una they kill our career. So if una make me vex, if una make me vex, even the lady where he call Mommy Jore, where he tell you Mommy Jore say he want confess, where Mommy Jore talk say me not mention the person name. If he time come say if you repeat all those nonsense again, I feel say Mommy Jore may mention the person name. Una see the way una take they spoil our name. Una see the way una take they spoil our name for France. People they'll come and use that eye till they look everybody for France now. Say they be deceived. If they just see, that's why if I dey waka for France, some guy go they look me up and down. I will say, what are all those people they look me for? I don't know say because of una no sense what they do. Then they make women now come they look us like say maybe we are one. We are not one. No, I can't use opportunity. Can't tell the whole world now. We not be one. No, because all those people who they do Shentro, they not we not relate to each other at all. Shentro different. We not be Shentro, we just see different all over the world. So, if you know say you get wife for house, you go born for outside. You got to give my belly for outside. My brother, your own they come for you. If you know say you get girlfriend, they carry up and down. Let me tell you something. If you the friend gay, you and gay day. Say you not defend each other. Maybe we not they stay together. At the end of the day, Shentro can collect your old girlfriend for where she did. This one go you, this one go you, no problem. But say una they stay together. The girl say no still want you again. You go, this one go, no problem. But say maybe una dey the same house. And that's why it they pay me. All those Shentro people, that time, they not they get house. Now woman how they stay. They'll go taban. They'll go taban for woman house. They'll go taban for woman house. They'll they misbehave. Some go buy ticket, go Nigeria, they'll go they waste the money. They'll go they do nonsense. Some go travel out of France, they'll go another country. They'll go they misbehave. But they can't use that art. They look everybody. Where we say we are not the same. Not be all of us. Then they do that control. Sir, if you are not take time, make turn down no visit to Nano. Because all those control when they do, we not go bomb. We not go fit post on our children for Facebook. We not fit post on our children for media. We not go they hide on our children. Fine. If you see hide your children, no problem. But stay with you, that woman. The woman where you born for you, stay with her. More than they stay together. You they forbid. If you don't say you never reach to born, why you can't give woman belly? Now because of Central. I want to say advise women, all women, if you know say your husband, go give another woman belly for outside. Let the whole world know say, not be only you that man they marry. If you did the matter, if you did the message, if you know say your husband go give another woman belly for outside, let the whole world know say not be only you they marry. No hide them more. Because now they use some men they deceive you now. Una way dey France. And they say many get for France. Even my house city for France here. And they say many. Their husband go get three wife. But that woman go they keep on. I know how many people know. I know how many people know say my husband get another woman. You they kill yourself, they go. And they vex for all those kind of things. No. Mommy Jore, God bless you for this message you can't give now because you can't let the whole world know. Say people, all those useless people, what they do control for France because